Unlock the secrets to financial success with 9 easy ways to make your first 100k online. From lucrative side hustle to proven strategies, this guide is your roadmap to digital prosperity. Say goodbye to financial constraints and hello to the thriving online income. Your journey to 100k starts here. Hey everybody, welcome to the Money Rule. Today we are going to go over the 9 easy ways to make your first 100k online. Make sure to watch until the end because this video is going to change your life. Number 1. Sell your skill. If you have any skill, then the whole world is ready to buy your skill through the internet. Options are graphic designing, content writing, video editing, digital marketing. How to find the skill that you have? Just ask yourself, what personal and professional qualities helped me achieve success to my previous workplace? What do I think my main strengths are? What was I good at as a child? What do people compliment me on the most? What's my natural mindset and reaction when faced with a challenge? Basically, if you know any skill, then through platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, you can make your skill reach the world. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way of making money online that has been around for a long time. In fact, it's over 20 years old. The first affiliate marketing programs began appearing online around 1994. Amazon is one of the biggest and most successful affiliate program runners. If you have never heard about affiliate marketing, it's a revenue sharing model where content creators and marketers push web traffic to website with affiliate links for people to make digital purchases. Of course, if you buy a product, the affiliate marketer will get a small percentage. But if you can build a website with lots of qualified traffic, your earnings could add up lot of money fast. Blogging. Blogging has evolved into a huge industry. In fact, there are 5.8 million new blog posts created each day. The Huffington Post started as a blog and has now grown into a content machine netting 14 million per month. It's highly possible to make money from blogging. There are tons of things to blog about. Anything from technology to personal finance could generate quite an audience. So how can blogger make money with their content? These days, it's not just about Google AdSense. Advertising networks, private advertising, affiliate marketing, sell online courses, become a consultant, sponsored post, membership, and that's not even a complete list. If you can create great content, and you could be a successful blogger. If you don't have a blog yet, look at the best blogging platforms we recommend. Number 4. Video content creation. Starting a YouTube channel can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Number 1. Define your niche. Decide on the theme or topic of your channel. Choose something you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This could be anything from tech reviews to cooking, gaming, blogging, or educational content. Market research. Research other channel in your chosen niche. Identify successful channels and understand what works well for them. Look for content gaps that you can fill or unique angles you can bring to the table. Create a brand identity. Choose a catchy and memorable channel name that reflects your content. Create a unique and recognizable logo and channel art. Consistent branding helps build an identity for your channel. Set up your YouTube account. If you don't have a Google account, create one. Once you have a Google account, you can use it to create your YouTube channel. Customize your channel setting, including the layout, profile picture, and channel description. Invest in equipment. You don't need the most expensive gear to start, but having decent equipment is essential. At a minimum, you will need a good camera, microphone, and video editing software. As you grow, you can invest in more advanced equipment. Create high quality content. Start creating and uploading high quality videos. Pay attention to lighting, audio, and video quality. Engage with your audience and encourage them to subscribe, like, and comment. Optimize video titles and descriptions. Use compelling and searchable titles for your videos. Write detailed and keyword-rich descriptions to improve discoverability. Add relevant tags to help YouTube understand the content of your videos. Consistent upload schedule. Establish a consistent uploading schedule where it's once a week or more. Consistency helps build an audience. Upload content that keeps your viewers engaged and wanting more. Promote your videos. Share your videos on other social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Encourage your friends and family to subscribe and share. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to cross-promote each other. Engage with your audience on social media. Build a community around your channel by positive and interactive environment. Monetize your channel. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility criteria, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and enable monetization feature like ads on your videos. videos, learn and adopt. Stay informed about YouTube algorithms, trends and best practices. Be open to feedback, analyze your performance and adopt your content accordingly. Remember, success on YouTube often takes time and persistence. Focus on creating content you enjoy and be patient as your audience grows. What could you make videos about? It helps to be an expert, but there is no shortage of exciting topics to cover. Tech videos, gaming videos, product reviews and tutorials, travel videos, fashion videos, fitness videos. Number 5. Remote jobs. Remote working is more than a trend. Over the past 10 years, it's grown by 91%. At formidable firms, we are all remote all the time. And the reason is simple, it works. Businesses love remote work because it saves them money. Employees love it because it grants them flexibility in their lives. It's an option that is becoming increasingly normalized. So, if you have been forced to stay home, why not look into remote work options? The good news is that it's easier than ever. Several platforms create the best remote work opportunities for you. All you need to do is sign up for the website below and they will email you new remote jobs every day. Check out this platform. We work remotely, flex jobs, working nomads, remote.co. Number 6. Create intellectual property. Create something that only you own and you want to sell it to the world. A good example of that is ebooks. You make electronic books and you sell that book for a very small price, maybe 99 cents, maybe $1.99. The important thing is not how much you earn, but how many people you will be able to sell it to. You might be good at designing and you post your design online and try to sell them. If you can create music, then you can record the themes of music and try to sell them. If you are good at photography, then you put up your photographs, stock images online and try to sell them. All of these are where you are bringing your skill and not selling the service but the actual product at the end of it, which is your intellectual property. Number 7. Creating a website for other people using AI. Right, so you can come to a website like 10web.io and you can sign up for completely free. 10web.io is going to create a completely professional website for you. It's by asking you a few simple questions. So when you sign up to this website, it's going to ask what your business is about, what type of product that you want to sell, what it is that you want to do based on the answer that you give the website. The AI is going to generate a complete website for you in just a few minutes, and if you know anything about website design and website creation, you will know that you can charge anywhere from $500 to $10,000 per website that you create. If you are looking for a place where you can sell this website, you can simply sign up for Upwork or Fiverr. Those websites are going to easily get your client to be able to sell this website. Number 8. Sell online courses. If you are an expert of any kind, you might be able to make money from sell an online course. The hardest part will be creating the course content, but once that's done, you could have a constant way to make money online. This is a great way to create passive income. To build courses online, you will need an idea and content, but after that, putting the whole thing together will take some work. But since remote learning is on the rise, that will be time well spent. You could host an online course on your WordPress website, complete with registration forms and e-commerce feature. If you do it this way, you will make the most money. Way back in 2016, the top 10 instructors on Udemy made more than $17 million. That sounds like a great passive income stream. For people who want a more streamlined approach to creating and selling their courses online, you could use one of the many LMS platforms available to use today: Lifter LMS, LearnDash, Kajabi, LearnWorlds, Teachable.com. Number 9. Editing podcast using AI. So if you go here on platforms like Upwork.com, Fiverr.com or any of the service freelance platforms, you are going to notice that people are charging upwards of $50, $130 per hour to do editing other people's podcast. Killing Voice AI is going to completely edit this podcast for you. All you have to do is bring it here, edit the podcast using Killing Voice AI, and you come back to Upwork and deliver the service to the client and get paid. That's basically all you need to do. So remember one thing, consistency is the key. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of easy way to making money and much more. All the links in the description below. You can check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.